Hey, welcome to Neversink Farm. We're in the, we call this H6. We got cucumbers in here and peas. A weird combination, but the peas are going to be done only in a couple of weeks anyway, because they just started to create peas. But I thought I'd go over how I put peas inside. I think they do really well inside. I like them inside, away from animals and all kinds of problems. But I do it in paper pots. So I paper pot it with 2-inch paper pots. So this is a 50-foot bed. So it's two 2-inch paper pot trays. That's all I need. I soak them, cover the tray with the soaked peas, and then paper pot them. I wait till about this high to do it. Any higher than that, they'll start to get tangled in each other, but about that high works really, really well. We just do it, you know, this trellis stays in here, right? So it does peas, it does green beans, it does melons. So we just leave it and then just switch out the crop that it's using. We've even done lettuce next to it so that we don't have to move the trellis. And so we do a paper pot on one side, do a paper pot on the other. We do it just far enough away from the trellis so it doesn't get caught in the transplanter. But we use my transplanter, which is very, very narrow, so it actually doesn't catch. I know the old ones, the metal ones, they catch really hard, but this one you get pretty close to. And these are regular sugar snap peas. And they grow about 6 feet. I mean, we've had them grow even taller because they like fertilizer, but if you fertilize too much, they get way too big. This is ideal. Is right when they hit the top of the trellis, start flowering and start producing peas. This way you can actually earn money at the market because you can be harvesting so many in a small space, right? The less you have to walk to harvest them, the better. Also indoors, they don't get as much water on them, obviously. When peas get rained on, they don't like it that much. Let me show you the trellis. So the trellis is just conduit with a PVC T on a T-post with Hortonova. And then they just need to be stitched in with a little bit of string every once in a while, you can see, so that, you know, they don't fall over. And you get delicious peas out of it. So I thought you'd like to see that. Thanks for watching. Until next time.